Hi everyone, this is for my students of architecture. Others can kind of scroll down, or maybe you can hit a like. Yeah, all right. And let me tell you that this video is sponsored by CAD Software Training Services Private Limited, Kolkata Center, hosted by the faculty of Methodist Academy in Kolkata. So a very big thumbs up for them as well. Yeah. You know, I have been practicing as an architect for the past 2 decades across India and abroad. With my hands-on experience in designing numerous projects, I have formulated some very basic strategies for my students of architecture. Well, let's talk about 5 of the very basic essential architectural design softwares which the students must be aware of. Yeah? Because you know, digital design is absolutely crucial in today's architecture. Clients or even your professors might expect to see that more than just a hand drawing concept drawing and physical models. They might want to see virtual representation that offers more and more of detail in the third dimension. With 3D modeling, you can create virtual spaces, populate your buildings, adjust the lighting effects, even predict how those external forces will act on your particular building even before construction or even before conceiving it. But remember, don't expect to have those excellent benefits from those softwares if you're using the wrong software firstly. Secondly, if you are not using the right software in the right way, and if you have not learned the right software from the right place. Yeah. Your choice must suit your needs and be suitable for your work setup. Each software has some particular difference with one another. So let's discuss what's the best available options for you. Those 5 options that I told you with the current market. Number 1, to start with, AutoCAD. You know, AutoCAD is the mother of all 2D design software. I started working on AutoCAD right from the very first year of my joining in architecture. In version, I guess, release 12, one of the very early versions. During those times, people are still using hand-drafted drawings for everything in engineering to architecture. Many use AutoCAD as a first step on the way to creating 3D models. It allows you to develop drawings that represent your buildings at the most basic level, and then can transfer these drawings to other software packages to work on the more advanced developed other softwares. Yeah? Because of AutoCAD's popularity, most other design packages are compatible with these file formats. Further, AutoCAD is useful teaching tool for teachers like us. Users can change preferences and use it to learn the basics about maybe line weights and design layers and so on. Architects can even access an industry-specific version of the software. You are in architecture, so AutoCAD architecture is for you. You are a mechanical engineer, so AutoCAD mechanical is for you. You are a civil engineer, so it is for the civil structure. So there are certain versions Autodesk has rolled out which are for those particular industries. This allows you to have a more efficient drawing of base models. Yeah. Next is SketchUp. You know, today many architects favor SketchUp. One of them is myself, because of its real-world application. You don't have to know only theory; you have to be hands-on. Yeah. So I use those softwares which are hands-on, and a lot of it has kind of huge benefit and huge features which are useful. For instance, you can pull a topographical image or a satellite image from Google Map directly into the software and have the terrain, right? The key benefit of SketchUp is also its price. You can download SketchUp for free actually. Of course, it may lack some of the features, the very preliminary basic features in that, but still it provides enough for you to create some basic level of modeling which you can take it to the next professional level easily, right? However, the base package has most of the exporting features turned off, so that's a glitch in it. Even so, this offers you flexibility. You can choose the features that suits your project, thus you invest in only what you need. Yeah, the cost makes it ideal for students and those like us operating on slim budget. Many use SketchUp to get grips with 3D modeling before moving on to other softwares maybe. Speed is also another feature of SketchUp. You can create very simple 3D models very quickly. In other places, you probably do not. have that facility. With the right adjustments, you can even create complex models which are faster and easy to execute, and some extremely wonderful presentations can be generated using SketchUp. Yeah. The next software is V-Ray. V-Ray is not really a standalone design package, it's actually a plugin. You can plug it in with other softwares like maybe SketchUp. Its purpose is to create photorealistic renderings. This allows you to show off your 3D models how it would actually look like in the real world. Yeah, this makes 3D the 3D outputs of a visual V-Ray package for those who will need to have that extra spark in their designs, and it offers a stunning result. V-Ray allows you to use light and shade in a never before way. Beyond architecture, designers across many industries use V-Ray in their work. For instance, do you play PUBG? V-Ray has a proven ideal solution for video gaming and various other CG renderings into movies and stuff. In architecture, V-Ray is all about placing your clients in a virtual visual space where you can envisage the entire surrounding around you. Maybe with 3D goggles and stuff, V-Ray can take you to the next level of understanding of the 3D. It helps them see what your designs will look like once they're built. Further, you benefit from an extensive resource. V-Ray has an extensive resource library to help you take those base designs to the next level of perfection. Well, coming to the next package, 3D Max. 3D Max is a core software for 3D drawings into architectural projects or other disciplines. This is where most model is still done. 3D Max can handle lighting, materials, rendering, animation, or it can extend using some rendering plugins like even V-Ray. Sometime during the year 2004, when I was undergoing a complete one-year certificate diploma in multimedia and animation from the Jadavpur University, we were thoroughly taught about the application and usability and awesome features this particular software has, which you too should explore. I strongly recommend students should get started on learning 3D Max for your design and develop your creativity and expertise and take it to the next level. I have published a very detailed article on this particular topic some time back. Go back to my page and have a look at it for yourself. Well, coming to the next software, or the last software I think you can say, it is a 5 software group that I made. Photoshop, mother of all image editing softwares. In architecture, Photoshop can be used for all manner of tasks, and in many architectural projects, it's the primary post-production image processing tool. Photoshop can be used as a very basic level tool or maybe an expert level tool, which many of its users and learners at an early age you can learn. I learned Photoshop maybe sometime when I was passing out of school, maybe very, very early stages. Photoshop is predominantly used, in image and graphics and creating a lot of other stuff, like for instance in your media, helping to produce architectural renderings, for instance, visualization and diagrams for presentations and client documents. Yeah. So in a nutshell, these are the very 5 basic softwares that you can use. You can start using right now. But before that, go ahead, learn those right software from the right places. And CAD Software Training Services Private Limited is definitely one place to go. Yeah. Having said all of that, I strongly believe that there is a lot to learn. And an architect will always be a student, constantly learning. Let's start discussing about your views, your thoughts on this particular topic. Comment in the box below. I'll get back to you. See you.